Hello everyone and welcome back to Matchbox Memories. I found another Easter 3-pack of eggs and I think the vehicles in here are Dora themed. At least Nickelodeon themed. Anyways, I'm not sure what's in there. It's Easter weekend. I was clearing through my stuff and I happened to come across these 3 eggs and I thought, what better time than to open this 3-pack on Easter weekend. Anyway, this is from 2007. You can see the 2007 Mattel license. All right, without any further ado, let's open these up and have a look at them. All right, so I have taken the eggs out of their packaging. Let's open them up. Let's start with the purple one. See what's inside of it. Not the easiest eggs to crack, but there it is. Oh wow, look at that. It's the pterodine. That's really, really nice. So just gonna crack that open and have a look at it. Wow, that is a nice vehicle. Absolutely beautiful. It's gonna look phenomenal with my other pterodine vehicles. Of course, it's got Dora theme on it. It says 2007 Viacom. Orange interior, just looks like side livery. Front's not done as we would expect. Beautiful. GMC Pterodine. Fantastic. Absolutely love that vehicle. All right, next the orange egg. Once again, pretty tough to crack these. Whoa. Got a flyer. All right, found it, and look at that, another fantastic little vehicle, some sort of a bus. I know I have this casting, I'm not sure what it's called, but once again, beautiful. Look at that. Much better than the Easter 3-pack I opened in my last video. It says Blue's Clues. Again, there's the Nickelodeon stamp on it. That's really nice. It's called a 2004 school bus. Obviously, seems like a fantasy cast. You can see Matchbox is the logo on the grill there. Beautiful. 2 for 2 so far. All right, finally, the green egg. Let's crack that open. Hopefully this car, or vehicle I should say, won't go flying. See what it is. Another Dora themed vehicle. I'm not sure where I got these. Just by coincidence, I was cleaning up and I found these 3 eggs. I guess I must have kept them for Easter. I'm not sure what this casting is, but I'm pretty sure it looks like a fantasy casting. It says 4x4 Buggy is the official Matchbox name to this vehicle. Fantastic. That is, guys, I didn't pull anything to compare. I do have some Dora themed 3-packs from back in the day, but those are the 3 cars for this Easter weekend in 2026. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short one, under 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please do hit the like button if you enjoyed this video.